Adding your information to your photographs is a good way to attribute copyright and ownership of your images. It doesn't necessarily protect them from infringement, but it gives people a place to look if they're trying to find out who the photograph belongs to. Also, many photo sharing sites can read the metadata from inside of your photograph. And the best way to get that information into your image is through a metadata preset. To create a metadata preset, go over to the metadata panel on the right. In the preset dropdown, select Edit Presets. This photograph already has some information associated with it already, but I can still make some changes. You'll notice that there are some other options at the top, like the basic info, camera info, and so on. Many of these boxes are specific to that photograph, so you'll want to fill those out individually. And you can do a lot of that inside of the metadata panel. The preset, however, is going to have the general information, and it's primarily going to be about the photographer. For example, the copyright is going to have my name. I'll have my URL, creator. You can be as specific or as vague with your address as you like. You could even include your phone number, email, etc. If there is a check next to that item, then that means that that information is going to be saved with the preset. All I have is my personal information selected. So at the top, I'm going to select to save this as a new preset. And I'll go ahead and create that. And then I'll click Done. Now I can highlight all of the photos inside of this folder and choose that preset for those metadata updates to be applied. You can also use these metadata presets when you're importing your images, which is a great way to ensure that you always have your information associated with your photographs. And if you'd like to see more metadata information show up in that metadata panel, use the drop-down at the top, and you can see as much information as you would like.